start in Türkiye!
Better.
You're gonna be sending beer, aren't you?
I'm on a boat. I don't need any beer. I need some
Hydration.
Yeah, I just need to take a little time off from that today, maybe. For now. Maybe for now. No promises. This is nice. Look at that. Hey guys. What up? I'm on a boat. Wow, look at those gulettes there. This one's not bad though. But those are beautiful. Look at that. Those are just beautiful.
This is perfect.
It is perfect. Look at that yacht over there. Playa. Somebody's a player. Looks like a mean billy goat.
I love goats on a beach.
Goats on the beach.
Goats on a beach.
I don't know, that water doesn't look clear. Hello everyone. We are on the beach.
With the goats.
With the goat. He's gone away.
I hear them though still. Don't you feel like the water's warmer here?
Was it though? Okay.
It's so cool. It's really warm over there. So. It's really warm on
The coral's like squishy.
We all peed at the same time and really be warm. You have to try it.
The coral is like super duper squishy.
Sometimes when girls are around.
Why no girls ever want to be around me.
Oh look, the boat drifted.
Yeah.
What?
I want to touch the anchor.
It's really cool. It's like the average. It's like the average anchor, but it's super cool.
Mom, take a slow-mo video.
I could do slow-mo.
Oh my god, I'm not moving without my flippers.
It's weird, right? It's weird without the flips.
Marcel, you should jump.
You didn't touch the bottom, did you?
No, it's really
I can't.
We're at Goat Island.
Yeah, go
Wait,
down.
jump in
is
person, you can film him with the GoPro.
Yeah, could you give me the GoPro and I could film it from underwater?
Oh
He
my
will. He's gonna jump into the water and maybe.
From underwater?
Yeah, I could, because it's waterproof, right? I could
Just
go
film it and put it underwater as soon as I hit the water.
Oh yeah, that's smart.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, it's recording.
Do you want me to tell still?
You ready?
Oh god. Carson, you
Water
can't miss
is not the
this.
case, right?
Carson,
Yes.
if any time was
I
the time to
think
catch
so.
something, now is the time.
We'll
Catch
find
it.
out. Put it underwater, see if it works.
Are you jumping off now?
Yeah, so
Go! That is that in Türkiye! That's awesome.
shouldn't do it like that. Cool tricks. What's up, Ghost?
What's up, Ghost? How you been?
Living the good life, that's all I can say. This beats being in an office. I say that every time. Oh!
Hello. We're going underwater now. You want to see the sea urchins? Alright. Time to go dive. Woo! Let me do it. Here.
Look at that yacht behind you. Big pimpin'. The Robinson boat is not a hit.
Maybe they should fix their S.
Yep. Nobody likes being on a boat with a bad S on the name.
I found you a shell.
That's a real nice boat back there. Wow. That boat you could film a Turkish rap video on. Instead of popping Cristal, you pop the Rocca. Very good. Alright, we're going to check out these ruins on the shore here. Hope we don't get attacked by goats. It's an old refrigerator.
There's a skeleton in there.
There is? Oh yeah, it's some dead animal. That's cool. What is this thing? Is it the smoker house where they smoke the goats?
Maybe. What do you think, Kenny? Like a church, like a little church?
Oh, cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's got a proper arch up there. Pretty cool. Don't know what it is, but it's cool. Oh, there's a goat up there. Hey, goat. How you doing?
It's like, get out of my house.
You got some milk for me? Okay, that was stimulating. Let's go get some bullock. Some fish. I think it should be ready pretty soon.
I mean, that's a lot of eyeballs.
Ooh.
I know.
Chupra? Nice.
What are they?
Chupra. Sea bream. Lunchtime. Some Chupra sea bream. It's gonna be good.
That's the kids' table. This is the adult table. Yeah, why are y'all all sitting so close? You realize you're a gigantic table.
Yeah. Y'all must really like each other.
This is my little area.
Looks really fun. So good.
No, what's a big fish?
Look at Marcel.
Look at the skin. The skin is the best
Like
part.
them.
I'm watching him eat the eye. I'm trying not to watch him eat the
Oh yeah, eat the eyeball, Aiden. Nice.
Mine fell apart. It tastes like an egg.
It does?
Oh, then I'm not.
Did you
eating
eat
it.
yours?
Never.
No.
No, it's like cheesy.
It has a hard marble inside.
I like the chew on the socket.
I don't need that at all.
It's a big fish.
It's really close to my face. Can you back it up a little?
I want some spice.
Here you go.
Shake it there.
Yeah.
Shake it there.
Maybe you should have added some spice.
Shake it there.
Coffee at Dolson.
How does she make plain pasta taste so good?
I love how we were like, we should
Butter.
make a-
Okay, we just got the Dondurma boat. The ice cream boat showed up. He goes boat to boat selling some ice cream. So he's gonna have some happy customers.
Yeah, like no one else is gonna give it to you for a better price.
Exactly. There's no
He's so
competition.
smart.
It's the best and the worst price.
Done Derma boat?
Ooh, menu? We
Uh-huh.
got a menu? Can I have a green twister?
Yeah. That means double chocolate?
Yes.
I'm getting that.
Get 2 of them. I want
2
one.
of them.
Give one for me too.
Okay, 3 of them. Can we have 3 of those?
3 off double chocolate.
Yes, 3 of them.
He said Dondurma's here.
Dang.